This could be the car for you. The 2021 Jeep Cherokee. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Jeep Cherokee, the stylish midsize SUV with sleek lines, ample cargo capacity, rich interior appointments, and advanced technology that keeps you safe and secure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, moonroof, satellite radio, fog lamps, backup camera, power liftgate, heated mirrors, power passenger seat. Rugged off-road cargo hauler meets refined connected SUV in the Cherokee. Drive it today.